What is going on, everybody? Raging Cajun back here. Got another one for you. Another video. This is a pawn shop tool haul. We're home here in Tennessee, where we just moved to. We just got done moving to. And I decided yesterday to go around to some of the pawn shops to see what I could find. And I actually found some good items. I decided to share my tool haul with you. Show y'all what I got. So, without further ado, I'm going to get the camera angled down to the little table here that I got set up in the truck. And we're going to show you what I got. So, give me a minute and we'll be right back with you. Alrighty guys, welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. As y'all can see, I got a few little items here. First item is a 22-ounce Milwaukee framing hammer. I paid like $3 for this thing. It's pretty much brand new, except for a few little scratches and scrapes on the top of it. But it is still a pretty good hammer. I could not pass this one up. This is about a $35 or $40 hammer if you go to Home Depot and get it. For $3, really can't pass it up. Second item is a gear wrench 84 tooth half-inch ratchet. It's not quick release. It does have the on-off switch on it. This one will stay in the semi. Sounds good inside the head. The anvil is still in good shape. Altogether, this ratchet, I couldn't pass it up. I paid like $25 for this ratchet. You go to you try to get this ratchet off of Amazon or something like that, you're probably going to pay maybe $50 to $75 for this ratchet. I could be wrong. But part number on this is 81304F. Again, part number is 81304F. It is an 84 tooth ratchet by Gear Wrench. I haven't heard too many complaints about these 84 tooths, so we'll be giving this a test run to see what it does. Next items, they are made by Craftsman. Some of them I gave $3 for, some of them I gave $4 for. I do have a somewhat set of Craftsman nut drivers. They are made in the USA. All ranges, some SAE, some metric. These are not made in China. These are made in the USA. It's right there on the handle. Made in the USA. Couldn't pass them up. Next item I got, I did some wheeling and dealing for it. It is pretty much almost still brand new, barely used. It is the Mac Tools Torx socket set. I gave $75 for this set. It ranges from sizes T8 all the way up to T60. So it's got T8, T10, T15, T20, T25, T27, T30, T40, T45, T47, T50, T55, and T60. The set is pretty much still brand new. It doesn't look like it's got much wear and tear on it at all. So for the price, I couldn't pass it up. Me and another channel stress this out a lot. You can find some really good truck quality tools for really good cheap prices. I know that That little piece of tape right there says $89, but I didn't pay that. You can scratch that out. Part number on this is ST13B from Mac Tools. It is a 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 piece hex Torx socket set. Going to Mac truck, you're probably spending about $200 for this set. That's not a bad deal at all. But if you do your due diligence and you get out there and you hunt these deals down, you can find them. Any pawn shop's got them. You just got to get out there and look. Get out there and spend some time with your family. Go shopping. Go do something. Don't just sit around on a Saturday or Sunday. But that's all I got for this one. Find your deals. Enjoy life. Please like, comment, share, subscribe, and ring that bell, because you never know what's coming out. But until the next time, y'all keep those wheels spinning and your beavers grinning. And we'll catch you on the next one. Raging Cajun is out.